What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Nigel. Man, I'm so excited, guys. We have the American Express Gold Card unboxing. This is actually my first American Express card. We're gonna do the unboxing, talk about the benefits, what it looks like. Let's get it. So we have the card right here, guys. Of course, we have our address blacked out. Everything's good to go there. It's gonna come in a FedEx box or package, and let's get straight into it, man. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing, guys. You can see I have everything blacked out, good to go there. And so once you guys open up, this is going to be the first thing you're going to pay attention to. You guys can see what's going on. We already have this locked and ready, but this is going to be the benefits of the card. Of course, I have everything blacked out. But when you guys see what's going on here, this pretty much gives you the benefits, the contactless card, and of course the infamous gold card, guys. I chose to get this regular gold, not rose gold. See if it can go ahead and focus, and it's really beautiful. Alrighty, guys, here we go. We have the gold American Express card, guys. This is on the personal. One of the benefits that I love is that this card has 4 times the points for restaurants and groceries. And another cool thing about this card, you're going to have the ability to have travel insurance, bag insurance. You have up to $120 dinner credit and an Uber Eats credit, which is really, really good, especially if you already use the app, if you already use the platform. And studies show, especially with the pandemic, most people do eat out. Now, this card does have a $250 annual fee, which a lot of people are like, but it does have a great welcome bonus depending on when you watch this video. I've seen it range anywhere from 40, 60, all the way up to potentially even 100K bonus reward points. So it's really, really great in terms of that welcome bonus, and it also has amazing benefits. Now, some benefits we really didn't mention, but I'm just flipping through this pamphlet. I see that they have a $100 resort credit. They also have pre-sale and preferred event tickets, and they also have flexible reward redemptions. I'm excited to hit that Amex portal where you can see all the travel, entertainment, and media benefits, or even shopping benefits that you may use. All in all, the Amex Gold Card is a phenomenal card. The APR is going to range anywhere from that bottom teen level, 19 level, all the way up to potentially 30, depending on your credit score. So what you guys are waiting for is like, okay, why is this your first Amex card, and what did it take to get it? So I have a 700 credit score, all right, still growing, still building. But if you guys have anywhere from as low as 670, 680, all the way up to 700 plus, don't have a lot of collections, you don't have a lot of previous inquiries, you should be good to go to get this card. It has a no limit feature. All right, Sean is going crazy with this. I see the goal. No limit though. All right, what that means is you have to set a spending power. All right, and you're able to swipe this thing until it can't swipe anymore. All right, you can continue to build that spending power, but it doesn't have a set spending limit like traditional credit cards. All in all, the Amex Gold is a phenomenal card. If you like this video and you're about to apply, let me know. Let's get it. Peace.